Hello guys, welcome to this new video on MySQL using Python, and in this video we are going to see about the delete query, and we'll see about how to drop tables in MySQL using Python. So first we'll see about the delete query. So deleting a record in MySQL is suppose I have this customer 3 table here, and suppose I want to delete this third record which has the name as MARO. So how you can do that in MySQL from Python? So simply go in your Python code, and after the cursor has been initialized, I will give some variable, and inside the variable I will write the delete query, that is delete from the table name, that is the customer 3, where the name is equal to MARO. So I have written the query here, and after writing the query we just need to pass the variable into the execute command. So I will pass this to the mycursor.execute method, and after the query has been executed you need to commit whatever has changes has been applied to the mydb object. So for that I will write mydb.commit and call the method, and finally to see how many rows have been deleted we will write a print statement, and inside the print statement we'll print the row count. So we will print on the mycursor dot row count, so we are done with the code. So now I will try to run this thing. So you can see here that we get an output as one record has been deleted. So now if we go inside the MySQL environment and try to run the same query again, so you can see the third record which had the name as MARO has been successfully deleted. So the next thing that I wanted to show you in this video is about dropping tables. So using the show tables command you can see all the tables that have been created in this YouTube database. So in this database we have this customer table which I will try to drop using Python. So we again go inside our code, and now we don't require this commit part. So we will write the new query here which is as drop table customer, and then we will pass that variable SQL to this execute method. Now you should note that this is going to drop only the customer table inside the YouTube database, as the connection has been established on the database, that is YouTube. So now we'll try to run this thing. So you can see here that our program has ran successfully. So now we will go inside the MySQL environment and check the tables that are existing. So now you can see that the customer table that was previously existing is now has now been deleted from the database YouTube. So this was how you can delete the particular records from a table, or you can delete the full table from your database in Python outside the MySQL environment. If you still have any doubts regarding this video, so you can feel free to write in the comment section. I'll try to solve them. If you like my videos, please do hit the like, share and subscribe button.